Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. I hope everyone is doing great, guys. I hope you're doing great. By the way, it's Monday. I hope you rewrote your plans. Things that were not working nicely, try to check them, try to correct your mistakes. This is a new week. Yes, the market might look the same, but things they are not actually the same. The best thing that you can do is try to have or try to improve your risk management, try improve your trading psychology, try to improve your skill, like try to improve your strategy, your approach towards the market. You see, so. To learn more or maybe to join the team, let's say if you want my mentorship, if you want to be part of the team, there it's a special which ends tomorrow. This special ends tomorrow. It's $100. You get mentorship where I'm going to teach you everything and also VIP signals for 12 months yearly. Actually, it's annual. Then there it's my contact. You can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me if you want to talk to me. So without wasting your time, guys, I hope you had a very great weekend. By the way, we're still going to go back and do the same thing that we did last week and before. What we want to do here is to be consistent. Yes, when you are consistent, it doesn't mean maybe you're not going to take some small losses. Yes, you're still going to take those. But what I love is most of the time you're going to make money, you see, even if we're going to take some few losses. And when we take some few losses, some of them, they're crazy because they don't really understand. If you get angry when you lose, then just know that this business is not for you, or maybe you just need to change your mindset, because that's how we can't avoid the losses, but we can reduce the losses and we can trade nicely, you see. So as you know, we're going to start with Bitcoin. What do we see on Bitcoin? As you know, even if you checked my previous video yesterday, my weekly analysis, please go back and check that video, because it's still going to help you to see what's really happening or what might happen for the rest of the week of the month. So what's really happening is the market is still respecting this, is still moving away from this resistance here. Guess what? We also had something here as a counter trend line, and I would like to zoom. I will zoom closer to that. You see, what do you see there? We had a very nice structure going down. Guess what? The market was just consolidating around that area. And this is 4 hours time frame, by the way. And guess what? We see a very nice breakout. For those who buy crypto, obviously, I see that now the market is trying to push the upside. Yes, don't get confused, guys, when you see this breakout here. Yes, for those who just like to buy, yes, they can have maybe a hit and run before the market reaches this resistance, because there is a chance for the market to respect this area before going down. Yes, there's also a chance for the market to break this area and push the upside. So we always have two options every time, you see. So, but the thing is, just because the market is now pushing to the upside, it doesn't mean that we dismiss this resisted area, because that shows us that the market has been going to the lower side, and that helps us to understand that, okay, the market is still on bearish. But if it's broken, it's going to be a different story, and we're going to say, okay, now the market is no longer moving in this direction. The market wants to change and start to create a nice bullish or uptrend. Simple as that. You don't have to confuse yourself on that. I hope you understand that. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you've been eating with us here for some time, you know what to do. Just smash that like. If you are new, smash that subscribe, share with your friends. Let's grow the channel very nicely. So on German 40, what do we think on German 40? Exactly as you see there, you can see that we were eating, or on German 30 or German 40, you can see nicely that we were just eating nicely. So what really happened is the market, yes, was on that downtrend, but guess what? The market broke out of this strongest downtrend, and now if the market breaks that, we don't have any chance or any choice but to do what? To have our buy positions, because we follow the trend. The trend is our friend, so we don't have to fight the market. So you can see the entry was there. Now the profits around this area, obviously most of them they closed in profit, some they still holding maybe, but what do we see? What might happen starting from today? I still think maybe we might still see another push, but yes, I'm also expecting some sort of rejection, even if I think the market is still on an uptrend. I think it's still on the early stages, by the way, but that it's a nice straightforward breakout, which means that we might start to do what? To expect some uptrend like that. But remember, even if it's an uptrend like that, don't forget that the market somewhere it still has to reject a little bit, push up, reject, something like that. We have to think about that. So it's Monday. I'm just going to wait for something. Maybe the market will react, create some rejection where we can say maybe it's a resistance, or as long we're just waiting for the structure. We don't have to guess. We don't have to do anything. You see, so now we still, especially as we already ate like this, so it means we just have to relax. We are on gold. So what's really happening on gold? So what's really happening on gold? It's straightforward on gold. This is straightforward. The market just broke out of this downtrend. We have a very nice retest and the market is here. So actually after this breakout, it seems like the market is just creating some sort of, let me just draw that for you. The market is actually doing what? Creating a structure which we can call in a consolidation structure. And mostly it happens when the market just breaks out. So we expecting the market to, let me change I don't like that color. Maybe that is better. So I'm expecting the market to, or let me zoom this. Because after the breakout, I'm expecting the market to do something like this. This is a very nice consolidation. And by the way, just because the market is consolidating around this area, it doesn't mean that the market is not on an uptrend. Remember that. So the market might play like that and break this area and keep pending consolidation like that and keep pushing up, create something like that. And after some time, when you start to think twice, you will see, oh, this thing was actually creating a move like that. And when you come back maybe with your uptrend, I mean the trend line, you're going to find something like that, and it's very nicely like that, you see. So I hope you can see what this thing is going on. It's better just to think like that, but the best thing that you can do is try your best to follow the structure. We understand that, yes, we're thinking that the market might create something like this, pushing up, but don't just try to buy now just because we say we're expecting the market to do that. Let's wait for the market to show us a breakout, and then we're going to think about that, maybe buying. When the market start to create some rejection around this area, we'll then start to say, oh, the market is actually creating that type of a structure that we were waiting for. Simple as that. So we just need to wait and relax. Now it's still very early, by the way. Still, the breakout just happened last week, so I'm still expecting maybe the market will still consolidate a little bit before it goes crazy to the upside. I'm expecting the market to push to the upside, by the way. I'm expecting the market to push to the upside, you see. So the best thing that you can do is let's just relax, guys. Just relax. You will see things in a very, very nice way, you see. Now we are on US oil. So what do we see on US oil? To me, it's quite straightforward. I think it's quite straightforward. We are on a very, very, very nice uptrend, even if we see some sort of rejections non-stop. But we understand that, you know what, the market actually on oil is still going to be expensive, so we're expecting the market to push the upside. And guess what? The market is actually doing that. We saw last week the market broke out of that resistance. Now it's creating some sort of move like that. We also had I think it's a signal around that area. Let me just zoom. So what we had there, I'm expecting the market maybe to come back here, retest before maybe creating a move to the upside again. But what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting some very strong bullish moves. Remember, we are still on this bullish move, by the way. I am trying to draw something like this. Maybe the market will create something that we can draw as a support area, but currently we don't have. That's why we just relying on this resistant area here. You see, simple as that. Simple as that. We don't really have to fight the market, and yeah, you see, now we are on US30. This thing seriously recovered, guys. This thing seriously recovered, and which is great, guys. The market has been suffering for some time now. So on this one, I'm gonna use 2 hours time frame because I see something. I think I see something like a rejection there. Sorry, I have to pay for this thing once. So I see, okay, firstly, you can see the market was going crazy low. This was a very nice downtrend. You can see, I have explained that several times. Guess what? Now we see a nice breakout there. So this breakout here is quite straightforward. But just because the market is crazy on a very strong momentum there, sometimes the market will take time to reject. So we have to come with a plan, by the way, but it seems like the market is already giving us those clues. Mostly the market will reject, give us this sort of rejection before pushing to the upside. So around this area, we were supposed to mark that as a resistance. Why? Because the market created something there. So even if, let me just show you, for those who don't really understand, let me just show you that on 15 minutes time frame, because some they say, Kenzo, but we don't really see that nicely. Why don't you just zoom a little bit there? So this is what I see. But still, the market is still very early, guys. The market is still going to give us some very nice structure. So if I saw that nicely there, I was going to have another trade around this area. Why? Because the market is on a very nice bullish move. Similar move was there. Even here, the market created something like that, you see. But there is a chance for the market again to come back here and to push the upside. But we will be waiting, by the way. We won't just jump on the market. We won't just jump on the market. There's still so much stuff going on in the world. So anything can happen. We might see some seriously, like some crazy sell-off, or maybe some crazy bullish moves. We have to think about this, like both sides, not only buy or sell. Anything can still happen. But what I love is at least we were able to eat around these areas, which is great, guys. So now I'm expecting maybe enough rejection, maybe up to this area before pushing up. But the best way is let the market do its thing. Then we can do what? We can then follow. Simple as that. Simple as that. So we're still bullish on US30 as we follow the trend. I'm just waiting for something like this. Let me just give you an example. Maybe something like this, if the market is going to create that. I'm not saying draw something like that. I'm just waiting for the market to create a nice support area that we can start to rely on and say maybe the market will start to do something like that. But even if it's going to be like that, that will be like very, very steep. So it means, yes, the market might still go a little bit lower before continuing. Then our trend line should be very nicely steep and slow like that, you see. But there's so much stuff going on, so anything's possible. So wow. So yeah, this thing is also, this one, we killed it on Friday. We smashed this one on Friday, even if we did not go live. But we know that we smashed this one on Friday. Just look at those. And this thing, guys, is still very early, by the way. Still very early. So I think the market can still push up to 15,000. Not now, not today, but when the market pushes up like that, we expecting the market to create those type of moves. So what's really happening here is, I think it's quite simple. Let me just show you this part. Firstly, you can see nicely that the market was seriously pushing to the lower side, which I think you can see that nicely. The market was going down. Guess what? The market changed that, and we saw a very nice breakout. So what's really happening here is, this was our breakout, and to confirm that, we can easily see that the market around this area was rejecting. But after the breakout here, I think we had a trade around that area. Then the market, even today, the market is still pushing to the upside. So what's this actually? What is this? What the structure trying to tell us? The structure is telling us that, guys, I'm on a serious bullish moves. Some people they'll say Kenzo, you. I saw some comments. I don't really like to comment to respond on the comments these days, but I saw someone saying, Kenzo, it's been a long time NASDAQ going up and you were not buying. And I say, maybe you crazy, man. Look, we had a resistance which was respected for several times. So people, they were expecting us maybe to buy around this area. No, we were on a downtrend. Why? We follow the trend. So we wait for the market to break this area. You know that the problem is we're not chasing the trades. We're not chasing the market. The market has to show us something before we act. Yes, these areas we saw them, you see, but we were not on a bullish move. We were not on a bullish move. You see, that's the difference between us and you. If you don't, if you are not disciplined enough, yes, you're going to look for buy and sell anywhere. That's why you're still where you are. You see, so what do we see currently? We see that the market is already broke out of this. We don't really see any rejection. We don't really see any rejection. So if you are not in the market, if you are not in the market, what can you do? Can you just buy now or wait? My answer will be wait. If this is gonna be an uptrend, it means it can still last longer. It can last a month, 2, 3, 4, even a year. If this is gonna be a stronger uptrend, we can see here we had a very long downtrend. This thing lasted like almost 2 months. But the market also changed the direction. So even here, I'm also expecting the same thing. I'm expecting that maybe we're going to get some sort of rejection before pushing up again. If the market is still on this bullish move, if the market is still going to go on this bullish move, it means yes, we still have thousands of opportunities to enter if you did not enter. But we did. For you, if you are not in the VIP group, yes, you still have some choice. There's opportunities coming, guys. There is always opportunities coming. So even if maybe here we don't get something, but we know very well that the market won't just move like that the whole year or the whole week. Nope. Yes, even if it's a strong uptrend, we might see something like this, and we're going to enter around those areas. You see. So we're just waiting for that. Simple as that. But for you to learn more information, guys, we have a special which is going to end tomorrow. The special is going to end tomorrow. It's still $100 until tomorrow. On Wednesday, we're going back on our normal prices. You see there? Those are the normal prices. So this is what is going to happen. Until tomorrow, the prices are still $100. It's mentorship plus VIP. Mentorship is where I'm going to teach you from A to Z. Learning stuff that you did not understand, or the things that you already understood, but maybe you did not really apply them correctly, or maybe you did not understand them the way you're supposed to. That's why maybe you're still struggling making money. Yes, it doesn't matter. Even if you have 2 years trading, 3 years trading, 4 years trading, but still you are not consistent. Yeah, there is an opportunity that you can join there. WhatsApp me, my Telegram or WhatsApp. You can just talk to me there. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. And you can start enjoying the benefits. You can start starting to enjoy whatever that the market brings. So thank you, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that like, share with your friends. Thank you very much. Let's meet later before the market open. Maybe we can get some very nice moves. Thank you very much. Bye.